Not sure how we beat them here. They were supposed to be here at the same time. There's Max videotaping me while I'm videotaping him. LNG versus diesel. What?
It's got a door on it. On its passenger window.
Otherwise known as a stowaway. Alright. Here's your map. This area is all paved. That's extra. Everything else you can walk to. This is one of two buffet areas that they have. The buffet is pretty much the same, except for the taco bar, and then it starts over again with the burgers and the hot dog. And there's that guy. There's that guy. I got a hot dog, which I shouldn't be eating. Chicken, corn, Max. Look at that. Shocker. A burger. For the hot dog. The taco bar, they got Mexican rice, beans, steak canitas, pork. So you can make your tacos.
I know it's awful because I did it.
Sandwiches, they got ribeye cheesecake, Cuban sandwich, and a portobello mozzarella. And then they got a lot of fruit, watermelon, pineapple, melon. Same things on all sides.
They have ice cream on the island.
Yeah, no kidding. A burger and ice cream. Shocker. Largest pool in the Caribbean. Fresh water. Van that I can't afford. Snack Shack. This is all complimentary. So just in about the last hour, the seas have got rough after they were so flat. And it's raining. Everybody's coming back. We timed it just right. Very about to leave. Should be moving any minute. So long, CoCo Cay, and looks like they're doing a little bit of construction over there at Great Stirrup Cay, which is where NCL goes. But out of all the times we've been here, I've only seen one ship there while we were here. And they have to tender. Moving away ever so slowly. Fighting a pretty good wind. Dinner, and then I'm gonna go get me a chocolate martini and probably go to bed early. I'm gonna get up about 6, so be off of here by 6:25 or 6:30. So, all right, get home, see my baby, and then I'll see you. Well, I'll tell you about that when I get my chocolate martini, if I can hear in there. Dinner time. Appetizer, French onion soup. Second appetizer, Caesar salad. Pecan roasted salmon is my entree. Got the apple cobbler with ice cream for dessert.
Right, I'm saying only toothpick.
Toothpick on toothpick.
Oh,
The only thing holding it.
right.
Alright, so you can't hear me in here, it's loud. But the next one, MSC, we're going to try that in a couple of weeks. And we'll see you then. Can't hear in here. Alright.